Hello everyone, my name is Clentus and welcome to my YouTube channel, The Real Clentus Tutorials. So guys, without wasting much of your time, I just want to respond to a couple of DMs that I've been getting on my Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, make sure that you follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is the same as my YouTube channel name. So anyways, let's get to this. So let's get to this concerning DMs that I've been getting on my Instagram, as I said. So guys, there are some YouTubers, especially new YouTubers, that are coming onto these streets, and for some reason I think there's nothing wrong with what they are doing. I think I do approve of what they are doing. Like when you start a new channel, basically you do almost everything under the sun. You can do beauty, you can do motivation, you can do religion, you can do lifestyle, cooking, you name it. But somehow the algorithm doesn't seem to translate all these mixed masala in one video and try and find you the right audience, because it just doesn't know which one of all this stuff that you talk about on your channel it should promote them to. So I think perhaps it's time to kind of like choose a niche, because yeah, I have viewed some of these channels and I did realize that if I was the algorithm myself, I'd be quite confused as to whom shall I promote these videos to, because everything is just mixed in one video or sometimes in one channel. But before you choose a niche, I would advise you to go back to the videos that you have uploaded thus far and check the most performing videos. Or maybe this is YouTube's way of saying to YouTubers that niching down is still a thing as far as it is concerned. I think it does make sense that you should niche down rather than doing a lot of things in one channel, resulting with your channel getting hurt as a result. I've also been having a lot of people that are coming into my DMs who started their YouTube channels about 2 years ago, and they are very much worried about the 4,000 hours of watch time, the 12-month deadline for monetization, as some of them put it. Actually, I understand that concern, because once you have lapsed that 12 months, you will start losing some of your watch time. It's not drastic loss, maybe it's few 10 minutes there and 5 minutes here. But if you are not going to be uploading engaging videos on your scheduled uploads, then in between you are going to be losing minutes, especially when your videos have a very low audience retention. So you will begin to lose a lot of time. So it's important. I would advise you that try to upload as often as possible. If you're the content creator that has been uploading once a week, maybe you will need to up your number just a little bit more, maybe twice a week. The reason why you should do this is so that you do not lose the watch time that you have accumulated in the past 12 months. The second common question that I get asked on my DMs is content. So a lot of people are starting YouTube channels, and as they come through and they start uploading videos, they come to realize that it has been 7 months since they started their YouTube channels. Again, if somebody comes to my DM and question me about the performance of their channels, usually I would go to their channels and view about 5 videos, and then I will come back to that content creator and basically give them a breakdown of what I have witnessed on their videos as well as their channels. Sometimes it's just the name of the channel too long, or it doesn't make sense, and people do get irritated when they see a YouTube channel with a long name or a name that does not make sense. The other thing that I've also noticed is that a lot of you guys are doing, I don't want to say this to sound like I am insulting you, but I want to give you tough love, because YouTube is difficult. So if you are going to choose a niche that is not searchable on YouTube, the first thing that you need to understand as a new YouTuber is that YouTube is a search engine, meaning that people come onto YouTube to search for topics. People come onto YouTube to search for information. People come onto YouTube to search for entertainment. So if you are not going to do information, entertainment or some type of advisory, then your YouTube channel is definitely going to suffer. And another thing that I've also noticed, and I'm not saying this is wrong of you who are doing this type of niche, is religious topics. Not a lot of people are into religion or come onto YouTube for religious talk or religious anything on religion. So because we have all kinds of people on the platform, and I'm not saying don't do it, but what I'm saying is if you are going to embark on this type of niche, you must be ready of your channel taking forever to basically, it will grow fast because there are a lot of people that are interested in religion and they would like to be spiritually uplifted and things like that, and you will get lots and lots and lots of views. However, if you are doing YouTube for the monetary aspect of it, I don't think it's going to work out that way for you because religion niche does not pay much of CPMs. I think they are around cents rather than in dollars. So it's something that is going to take you a very, very long time to meet the threshold that YouTube requires in order for Google AdSense to pay you. I think here in South Africa you need you need to achieve about $75. I think it's $70 to $75, which is 1,000 rand here in South Africa, and that's how you will get paid by Google AdSense. So now imagine you are doing a religious niche that is going to take you months to actually accumulate that into 1,000 rand for YouTube to actually pay you out. You will probably get paid twice or three times. So if you are going to do this type of niche, just know that it's going to take some really, really long time for you to make money out of it. And if you do make money, it's not going to be anything that is going to make you smile all the way to the bank. I'm so sorry to tell you this, but it is something that I have to tell you now so that you can pivot or leave this channel that you've already started and start a new one where you are now going to do niches that are searchable on YouTube. Remember, I always say this: create videos or content that people are searching for on YouTube. Otherwise, you are wasting your time on this platform. Again, this is just tough love. I'm not discouraging you from being a YouTuber. I'm not discouraging your content. But all I'm saying is if you are on here for the monetary aspect of it, maybe it's time to pivot. A lot of you that come to my DMs tend to be doing a religious niche, and that is hurting the prospect of you making money. And many of you are already monetized. Like I said, a religious niche grows pretty quick, but the CPMs are extremely low. Even if you go into these first world countries like the US, Canada, Australia, UK, and the like, these CPMs are below the dollar. So can you imagine how long it's going to take you just to earn that first $75? That is a threshold for you to get paid on YouTube. So again, I do apologize. This is not my intentions to discourage you, but I'm answering questions that come through to my DM. Well, that is it, guys, with this video answering your Instagram DM questions to me about your YouTube channels. Thank you so much for watching, and do subscribe to my channel if you are interested, and also click the bell notification so you do not miss out on any of my uploads. And also share this video far and wide so that other YouTubers that may be in a similar situation as the ones that I just answered in this video get to know about. And I will see you next time with a new video. Goodbye.